Democrats are moving forward with what they call the most sweeping financial reform since the Great Depression. Senator Christopher Dodd, who sponsored the bill, says the financial meltdown that led to the collapse and subsequent bailouts of some of the largest U.S. firms shows the current regulations are inadequate.
As we've learned, obviously, the kind of condition we're in because either we didn't have regulation or the regulators that we had weren't doing their job.
Dodd says the failures have hurt middle-class Americans the most.
The far worst damage has been done to millions of American families who did nothing wrong at all. A staggering 8.4 million jobs have been lost, and the unemployment rate remains near double digits in many areas.
To avert a future crisis, Dodd proposes an expansion of the Federal Reserve's authority. Besides giving the central bank the power to limit institutional risks, the proposal gives the Fed the ability to break up large institutions considered too big to fail. It also creates a new consumer protection agency that will approve and enforce financial products. But some are doubtful the reforms will work. Boston University School of Law professor Cornelius Hurley.
But at the end of the day, the investment bankers and the financial engineers still have the ability to go out and create products that nobody understands.
Banking lobbyists argue the bill will hurt families and businesses because it will force banks to tighten credit. But Brookings Institution banking expert Doug Elliott says the trade-off will be increased security.
It was so expensive to clean up after this crisis. We need more safety, even if it makes loans a little more expensive.
Republican Senator Bob Corker, who was involved in bipartisan negotiations before the talks broke down, said the plan faces a tough fight in the Senate. Among Republican concerns, that the new consumer watchdog will have too much authority to ban financial products. In a statement issued Monday, President Obama promised to work with Senator Dodd to defeat any efforts to weaken the bill. Dodd has pledged to pass the new regulations this year. Arcega, VOA News.